let's check out the garden, see how we're doing. As you'll see in a little bit, I've kind of outgrown this garden, which isn't a small size for sure. These are all tomatoes here. These are San Marcano. Gotta fix this plant. Looks like it went down a little bit. Some basil, some eggplants. Little zucchini there. Zucchini flowers. There we got a nice sized zucchini growing. I made this contraption for the climbers. Those are pickles. Cucumber pickles, I should say. No zucchini. This pipe I gotta fix. Just from the wind we had some rain this morning. And as you'll see, I outgrew this. Although I have lots of room here to put some stuff, but I went outside the garden. So let's check out the rest of it.